Hey guys, today we're going to review compound probability. Compound probability just means there's more than one probability that's happening at the same time. Let's take a look at some examples. What is the probability of flipping a coin and getting heads, then rolling a 1 through 6 number cube and landing on an even number? Probability is always going to be part to total. And in this case, the two things that are happening, I'm flipping a coin and I am rolling a die. A 1 through 6 number cube is just a way that in tests sometimes they call dice. So I need to find the probability of flipping the coin and getting heads. I know that 1 out of a total of 2 sides on my coin have heads. On my die, I'm trying to get an even number. And if the numbers on my die are 1 through 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, the even ones are 2, 4, and 6. So that means there are 3 even numbers out of a total of 6 numbers. Now that I have both of those probabilities, all I have to do is multiply them together. So you just take the 2 separate events and multiply them together. When I multiply fractions, top times top, 1 times 3 is 3, and bottom times bottom, 2 times 6 is 12, and then I can simplify. Both of these numbers are divisible by 3, so my probability of getting heads and then an even number is 1/4. My answer is still just going to be one fraction at the end, but I'm taking those 2 probabilities and multiplying them together. Let's do another one. What's the probability of flipping a coin 3 times and landing on heads each time? I just heard I'm going to flip my coin 3 times, so that means I've got the probability of getting heads on my coin times the probability of getting heads on my coin again times the probability of getting heads on my coin again. I know that the probability of getting heads on my first coin is 1/2 times the probability of getting heads on my second coin is 1/2 times the probability of getting heads on my third coin is 1/2. So the probability of flipping a coin 3 times and landing on heads each time, 1 times 1 times 1 is 1, and 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. Don't say 6, that's a big mistake people make. 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8. Your turn to practice.